Okay, so when you look at things at different distances, your lens accommodation changes. So farther, like if, for instance, yeah, okay, yeah. If I look at the stars, you can see how big my pupils are getting because I'm trying to let as much light in as possible. If I look at something close, focal length is different. Well, this is quite useful. So yeah, okay. This depth information. But looking, okay, so here's an issue though. So why is it that looking at where I'm looking right there, yeah, okay, that's a bit, that makes more sense. Okay, so there, okay, so that distance right there, that size of green circle should be bigger than when I look at here. Uh-huh. Okay, that's useful. That's useful to know. Okay, what about that thing? Uh, uh, that's okay. So this is problematic because those things have. Yeah, I can see this as being very problematic. That seems right. Let's just. I'll shut up for a second and let it try to do its thing. Yeah, my pupil diameter does not match what the scene's statistics would be like in real life. You know, like if this was real life, yeah. See, it's what needs to happen is that 3D object, that spaceship that I'm looking at right now, it needs to be fuzzier. It needs to not be rendered so well because the way, like right now, because it's rendered so well, it's as if it's this close to me. Whereas what's needed is some noise on this thing. It shouldn't be so sharp. Then I'll get bigger pupil diameter. Okay, interesting insight. That's about it.